Hello there, welcome back to another video. So right here I have a Benz C240. So I just want to show you how to fix your steering column. So what is going on with this one, its steering won't stay up, keep going down like this, guys. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So you have to remove some screws. So I'm not sure the size on this screwdriver because what happened, the size rub off. I don't know why they put it on the angle like this and didn't print it on the metal piece like right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin the link in the description where you can get this toolkit. So you get everything in there, different sizes. So you have to remove a screw, some screws from here, also from this side here. Remove this bottom panel here to get to it. So main problem is right here, guys. This piece here keep pushing off. So I'm going to show you what to do to fix it, guys. So all you're gonna need is a tie strap. Just need a single tie strap, guys. Not too big, just a small tie strap like this one. Let's see if I can see the size on it. Okay, connect, guys, so you can get the same size. Alright, so I have a painted tool right here. So all I need, you just need something with paint that can fit inside of here, that you can remove this piece. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a bit tight down in there, guys. But there's a little piece you're gonna need to remove with something painted. So when you are working on yours, you will see what I'm talking about clearer. But it is right in there. You just need to get out that piece out of the middle. Let me pause the video and get it out and then show what I do, guys. Alright, guys, so right here, see this piece right here, I remove it from the middle part. So after remove it, make a little hole. Make a hole, you can push the tie strap to it and make a loop. Let me get this, guys. So you just want to make a loop so whenever you pull in that thing, you don't slide off. Let's see. It's a bit difficult to use my one hand, but I'm a bit skilled on it, so let me try. Okay, let me try and see if I can use my one hand and get it, guys. Right, I'll dry it up on it. I don't want to keep dazzling your eyes, guys, so as you can see the tie strap around it, so I'm going to dry it a bit closer to it. But first let me pause the video and dry it up and show you. Alright, so now I get the tie strap on it, guys. As you can see right there, I put it through that hole. Okay, so get it through a small hole right there. Come on, camera, work with me, camera. Okay, so I get it through that small hole, guys. It's really difficult at that moment, but it's right here, guys. You see that hole? I put the tie strap. So whenever I push this thing, it will lock and release. Just like that, guys. So that's how it's supposed to work. Alright. So now I'll be able to lock the steering wheel. Hold on, zoom out too much. So I will be able to lock it and it won't move anymore. Just like that, guys. As you can see, it's not moving up and down. Pull. Push. and it lock, and there you go guys. So that's how simple and easy it is to fix your steering column that keep coming down. That's it right there. So I'm going to put it back apart, put it back everything how it should be, and that's it. So if you find this video useful guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.